Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arstead, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is what's going to be happening in this video. So there's a side in the Magic Dome right there in that corner, that hasn't been touched for the past few months because I really did not know what I wanted in that area. But I finally made a decision on what I would like in that area, and so I'm gonna go ahead and redo it today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with that. So we're gonna go ahead and do weeding, replanting. We're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna make this area look neat and refreshed again. So here's what we're gonna do with the video. I'm gonna tell you guys, super easy. If I say I'm gonna weed, I'm gonna cut the clip, weed it, then come back to you guys, and then so on and so forth, because I don't want this video to be ever so long. So let's go ahead and move to the area that we're gonna be working in. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is the area we're gonna be working in. I know this is the state of my garden right now, so full of weeds, but I'm gonna be taking part by part. But starting with this area right here, because I already did that area done, so now I'm gonna do this area. So here what we have already, so we have this rose right here from the DY Nurseries. I haven't really known what to put it, but it seemed to do very well right here, so I'm gonna keep it here. And we have Vanessa. Vanessa is not looking so good. The Magic Dome was falling apart due to the old connectors, and it fell on top of Vanessa, and it also has had a disease on it. So the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this one and find a home for this one later on, or soon, or transplant it, because it's not looking so happy here. And so you can see what we're gonna deal with. So I'm just gonna quickly weed this area and then come back right to you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, I already had and I weeded this entire area. You can see them right there. So I already started placing some of the plants I wanted. So we're gonna have a coleus right there. This coleus is from the area over there because I'm trying to clean up that area for more raised beds. So I'm moving it over here, a very big plant that I want to cover up this area. We're gonna have a papyrus as well right here. We're gonna have this rose that I had to transplant because it wasn't doing good where it was, so I'm transplanting it right here next to this rose. Then we have a butterfly ginger right there, which I wanted to act as a little cute border right here. We have some rain lilies, but when this is planted, I'm gonna fill in this area with celosia that has seeded throughout this entire raised bed because I had celosia over there. So let me go ahead and plant all these plants and we'll get back into it. So Ultimate Gardeners, the garden is done and ready to go. So once again, we have this wasabi coleus, papyrus. This is a sunny knockout rose. We have a Cuban oregano, it's variegated. We have multiple different celosia here. We have this rose. When I find the name, I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. Butterfly ginger and pink rain lilies. This is a beautiful area. Once they establish and start growing in, they'll look way beautiful. These, I believe, are the dragon fire celosia or something like that. And I know these more orange pigmented ones are orange celosias. But once these all grow bigger, we will have a statement piece right here. So this is one part done. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I did this garden bed makeover. I went ahead and I weeded, I transplanted, I planted so many plants today. And so I am gonna wrap it up for today with this video. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.